Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the TV and the device. Make sure both connect to the same Wi-Fi network. You sign into Netflix on a phone or laptop so you can manage activation codes easily. Once done, open the Netflix app on the TV and go to the Sign In or Activate screen. This will prompt the TV to display a 4-6-character code. This initial step prepares both devices so the activation can proceed smoothly. You now take the visible TV code and enter it on Netflix's activation prompt using your phone or computer, because that links the account to the device. Make sure to type the characters exactly, including capital letters if shown, since codes are case-sensitive. After you submit the code, confirm the device name and accept any permissions. This tells Netflix to authorize streaming on that TV. Then wait a few seconds while the app refreshes. The show will appear once the connection completes. Finish by selecting a title to verify playback. If the app does not start, restart the Netflix app or clear its cache because that often resolves stale sessions. If the code expired, request a new one from the TV app and repeat the entry quickly. Codes time out for security. If activation still fails, check your network connection and your account device limit. Sign out other devices if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the TV and router together. Then try a fresh activation sequence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.